back to our channel. Today we're going to be making these beautiful Christmas crafts. If you want to know how we do it, then keep watching.
For this second part, we will be doing what?
Yeah,
3D Christmas tree
designs.
Yes, good.
Design.
3D Christmas tree designs. You can use the design for wherever you like. You can use it as a centerpiece for your table or just to decorate your house. You can put a rope on it and hang it on your tree. And you can also use it as something they call place setters.
Oh, yeah.
So to let people know where to sit on your dining table. Exactly, yeah. So I'll put a picture up here on this video on the right hand side to show you what we're about to do. All you need is card paper and a PVA glue and a scissors. So just 3 things. If you have different colors of card paper, that's fine. Christmas trees come in different colors. We have a white Christmas tree. I've seen a gold Christmas tree. There's a green Christmas tree.
That's the tradition.
Yes, but we can use any color. But if you don't have colored ones and you want to achieve colors, so you can have white card paper and you can paint it green, and when you finish you can add sequins to it, or you can add some more paint to make it shiny or even glitters. All right, so let's start. Right, so the first thing is to divide your A4 paper into 4. Okay, that's for the small place setters kind. Okay, if you want to do a big centerpiece, just get 4 different A4 papers so that yours will be ginormous. Could you do that, girls?
Yeah.
All right, so into 2 and then 2 again. Jamie has folded hers into 4, so now she'll cut along the line. Okay, I'm gonna do the bigger one. I'm gonna do a centerpiece, so they will divide their 1 A4 into 4, while I will use 4 different A4 papers. Well done, Jamie. So the next step is to stack up your 4 sheets of paper. So whether you're using the small size or you're using the large size, just stack it up, because you want to just do your template one. So you draw your template, the template for your Christmas tree, on just one of the papers. Okay, so just on the first one. I'm not very good at this. The girls are better at this. Yeah, I bet you can show me, JCL. I'm going to try and use a pencil, but you can use a ruler.
I've got a ruler in my pencil case.
Or you can use you could just do it like that. Really, I think you can actually just sketch it. You don't have to use a ruler, but if you are a bit unsure, you can use a ruler. There are different ways of doing Christmas trees, to be honest. It doesn't matter. So yeah, just sketch it whatever way you're comfortable with. So this is my sketch. It's not it's not very symmetrical, but it will do. So once you've sketched that out, then you can cut it off. Okay, so you girls carry on and sketch yours. You can do a different design if you like. So you can see the girls are doing their Christmas trees differently. JCL's one is a bit of a zigzag, and Jamie's one is more like curvy.
Should I do a bottom bit?
No, you don't need a bottom bit so that it's going to stand nicely. So.
Do you have to use all of it?
Oh, Jamie, I like your design. That's a good way, and she's doing it freehand. As you can see, she's not using a ruler. Yeah, JCL's, and that's Jamie's final template. So now you just need to cut it out. The easier way will be to stack 4 cards together and cut it out at once. But if you think that's going to be tricky, you can cut one at a time. So you cut the first one out, then you place it on the second one and use that as your template. You're gonna cut all 4 at the same time.
Yeah.
I know JCL likes the easy way all the time. Jamie likes to be more meticulous, and she likes things to be perfect. JCL can't be bothered. She doesn't have time. Sometimes I say JCL, oh JCL, you're very lazy. She's like, I'm not lazy. Well, yeah, she still gets the job done. Yeah. Right, let's go. I'm going to do JCL's method. I'm going to cut all 4 of mine at the same time. And I'm going to use a jagged scissors. You can use just the plain scissors like JCL is using, but I'll use the jagged scissors because I want the funny shape at the end.
I still get it done quick, but I still get beautiful.
Yeah.
I don't care if mine's beautiful.
Well, you need to make it nice, JCL. You want to have a lovely centerpiece, don't you?
I've got all my Christmas trees.
Alright, cool.
They're kind of like fans. Yourself if you're too hot, and I'm too hot, so I'm fanning myself with paper. What are we going to do with these bits?
They're just useless. We can use it to decorate mine or something.
We can do dots on them.
Yeah, we can use them to decorate other things too. But they're just waste paper, but we can reuse.
Reuse and recycle. Recycling is saving the environment.
It is. It does save the environment. It's also good. Jamie, look at her serious face. But Jamie's almost there. No hurry, Jamie. Take your time.
Yeah, take your
So the next thing we're gonna do is to cut out a star, because if you don't want a star, you can make the shape of an angel, but a star is pretty straightforward. So if you have a yellow card paper, you can use that for your star. If you have a gold star paper, even better. Or you can just use a white paper and put some glitter on it, and then you have an even
white paper.
Yeah, so cut out a white card paper, the shape of a star. You can put some glue on it, JCL, and then put some glitter to have an even better star. I'll just use a yellow card paper for mine, and I'll cut out the shape of a star.
What am I gonna use
So that's
for
the
the
next
white
stage. Make your star, okay? And you just need 1 star, okay? So you don't need 4 stars. Just draw the shape and cut it out. For those that don't know how to draw stars, Jamie has an easy technique she wants to show you guys.
Yeah.
Carry on, Jamie.
So you basically start with a just normal triangle,
Okay.
and it doesn't matter what size it is, it just be a normal triangle.
Okay.
And then you draw an upside triangle on top of the normal triangle.
An upside down triangle, okay?
But then if you want to keep it like this, you can, but this is the way that I do it sometimes. You rub out the lines that are actually in between it,
Okay.
so to make it look like a real star.
Well, that's an easy way to draw a star. That's so cool. Okay, but see, I have a way I do mine, but it's actually quite complicated. It's not everybody can do it. Your way is easier, Jamin. I do a cross, okay, or like a plus sign. Then I do a multiply sign or an X. Okay, you can call it an X or multiply. Sorry, my hand's shaking because I'm holding the camera on one hand. Then you join the points. So join the tip of your multiply to the tip of your cross like that. You do the same thing for this. So this is a 4-arm star. You could also extend this and you add another arm there. You extend this so you can get an 8-arm star if you like. Your star to look really complex. Okay, so that's how I do my star, but I can do the 4-1. But this is such an easy way for a beginner to do it, Jamin. I love your method.
I do this star.
Yeah.
But my
Jessica, let me see yours. You just do yours randomly without drawing anything. Jessica that likes it the easy way. she can't be bothered. They do making it technical. Just get it done. Just do the job.
That's all you gotta do.
Just got it. What you gotta do.
Now we need to paint it in glue so I can put glue.
Yeah, so you can use your finger to do the glue, or you can use a brush if there's a clean brush. I've decided to use 4 different colors. What you need to do is fold the paper into 2. Okay, so just fold it in the middle, because like I said, it's 3D. So each of your trees you fold it into 2 like that. Okay. The last step is to put glue on each side, and you glue them together. So first of all, you glue 2 together like this. You can stand it up if you want, but just put your PVA glue on each side, glue that. Then you add your 3rd one, you glue 1/2 to the next half. And you see it's coming together. I've not even glued it. Then you take your last piece, you put a glue there, and you stick it on there. then you join the final one, okay? And you should have something that looks like that, okay? Isn't that gorgeous? So yeah, let me just apply the glue now, but I'm just using PVA glue because what we have, stick glue, that's quite easy, and trust me, this will be ready in literally 1 second. So that's one done already. So final one on. It's not as neat as I would have loved, but before I close it off, you get your star. Okay, you can make your star more glittery. I could do that later on anyway. You just put some glue on your star, the bottom half of your star, and then you stick it on there in the middle. Okay, then you apply the glue to the last bit of your tree. Look at that, that's our beautiful centerpiece. JC, is it lovely? Yeah. And see, mine has, on this side is blue, you turn it around, it's pink, you turn it around, it's orange, you turn it around, another pink. It should be half pink on both sides. I can use this time to add some finishing touches to my centerpiece, to draw on some bubbles, or I could put glitter on it, whatever you like. Bubbles with my marker.
Or marker.
JC, leave me alone. You can do whatever you like with yours.
I'm telling you.
So yeah,
the viewers, how many
options they have. Okay, what are the options? Tell us again.
you've got dark paint on it.
Yeah.
You can put glitter on it.
Mm-hmm.
Or you can do the same thing that you do with paint, but with markers.
Exactly. There are different options of how you can decorate, or you can cut different papers. So you can cut more colors of papers. Let's say you had white paper, right, for your tree. You can now cut different colors, and then you can add those colors on just by sticking them on, right? Oh, Jamie, you're doing a good job. So you're doing 2 whites on one side and 2 orange on one side. That looks gorgeous. JCL's one is the traditional tree, is all green. She just got the hang of it and she's really nailing it. It's a very easy craft, isn't it, girls?
I want to show it to my teacher.
Yeah, you can take it to school and show your teacher, and you can show your friends how to do it too.
Yeah.
It's super easy. Or they can just watch our video.
Yeah.
That too. All right. So is that your third one, JC, or is that the final one?
Final one.
Oh, remember to put your star in. Okay.
Yeah.
Right. Put it on first. Put that one. I love your
thought
star.
you
It's
had
so
to do it on
glittery.
the-
Now put the star. Then you put some more glue on the last bit.
So I put glue here.
Yes, just a tiny glue on the edge of one of your on one arm of your star. That's good. Stick it on quickly. Oh goodness, I love yours, JC.
Thank you.
Okay.
Dun, 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 dun.
It's not finished.
It's
Remember,
falling
there's one part that you didn't put glue. That's why it's falling off.
I don't know what I'm going to use. Okay, so let's
Oh,
put
yours
it
looks
like
so
this.
nice, Jay. Hold it for a little bit, then you leave it to stick. Okay?
Okay.
Before your hand sticks on there. No, not be good.
Someone has pranked me.
Oh, Jamie, I like yours. It's so cute. You can imagine, see the mommy and the baby. And JCL's one is the second baby. So this will be the centerpiece, and this ones will be the placemats. So right, oh, Jamin's name, don't sit here. This is where Jamin is gonna sit. This is where JCL's gonna sit. You don't really need to color it in. It's perfect as it is. But if you want to add another touch, you can cut up some papers and stick like round bits or triangle bits, tiny bits from your scrap paper, and then just dip it, touch it in a glue, and just stick it on. It doesn't matter what shape it is, because on a Christmas tree you have all shapes and sizes of bubbles. You guys love glitters. I'm going to add sparkles to my star, because I'm totally using this as a centerpiece on Christmas Day.
You know what we like? Why we like glue?
Why?
Because it wasn't good on it.
Everything's better with glitter.
And also sprinkles.
And sprinkles, yeah. I don't any color of paper on
You know what I'm doing?
on the tree, any shade, just make it more colorful. What time is it? The best time, the snack time when we're out doing crafts. Yum. We need warm milk. We'll go with the cooking. Guess what, guys? We just found some what are these called, Jamin?
Sequins.
Some sequins, yeah, some lovely Christmassy sequins, and we found an angel. So instead of Jamie's star at the top of her tree, she has decided to change it to an angel at the top of her tree. Lovely tuck of sequins. I feel like it will be nicer than just painting, right? But if you don't have things like this, I just found this in the craft cupboard. It's got butterfly, love hearts and things, but and I've got snowflake. Isn't that gorgeous? So it doesn't have to be this. You can draw it yourself, or like I was drawing before, but yeah, now I'll just stick this on. Me being a bit extra, a bit of a perfectionist, I guess. But yeah, I could just decorate one side really and leave the other sides the way they are, or you can decorate every bit of it.
If you liked this video, so please subscribe. It will give us joy. And just for a Merry Christmas.
Yeah, so we'll have a Merry Christmas, and you have a Merry Christmas too. Try your hands on these. They are easy. You saw how easy they were to make. You will love them. You can give them out as presents. You can use them to decorate your house, your tree, your table. It's so fun. Do it.
It's like 3 in 1.
Yes, and if you like this video, you heard Jamin, make sure you
Subscribe.
till next time, keep
Living, loving, and laughing. Bye.